lies an oasis of life, a boundless realm of wonder and mystery. The ocean, its depths hold secrets untold, treasures unseen by human eyes. But with every passing day, the ocean weaves a tale of despair, a silent plea for help, for understanding. Imagine a world where we listened to the whispers of the waves. Imagine a place where we embrace the symphony of life beneath the surface. Imagine what it would be like if we cared for the ocean as deeply as it cares for us. In this world, every breath we take is a tribute to the ocean's resilience, every step a promise to safeguard its future. We become stewards of the sea, guardians of its beauty and majesty. As we tread lightly upon the shores, we realize that our fate is intertwined with the oceans. It is not just a source of sustenance, it is the lifeblood of our planet, the beating heart of existence itself. So, let us take action to realize this planet is a world where the ocean's song is one of hope, where every tide brings with it the promise of renewal. For in our hands lies the power to rewrite the narrative, to create a future where the ocean thrives and so do we. Let's create a world where the ocean's vastness is matched only by our capacity for compassion. Let's change our future where the legacy we leave behind is not one of destruction, but of preservation. Let's heed the call of the sea, to embrace the beauty that lies beneath its surface, and to pledge ourselves to its protection. Join us in celebrating World Ocean Day on June 8th, a day dedicated to honoring the ocean and taking action to protect it. Together, let's make a difference, one wave at a time. Visit worldoceansday.org to learn more and get involved.